Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my oral hygiene routine and how I keep my teeth nice and clean. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, I brush my teeth with this all-natural toothpaste called Natural Dentist. And I like to use an electric toothbrush to brush my teeth because I feel as if it does a better job. And I like this one by Yazzie because it has different levels and different vibrations that you can choose from. So I brush my teeth thoroughly as well as my tongue. Now on to the fun part. I love to floss my teeth with this webby top dental flosser, and it may look a little bit difficult to get the hang of, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So of course it comes with instructions, which is very useful if you have never used a dental flosser like this before. It also comes with 6 different tips. So we have 2 of the classic jet tips. This tip is the most easiest effective way to floss, and they give you 2 for multiple users. We have the pickpocket tip, and this is great if you want to brush and water floss your teeth at the same time. The tongue cleaning tip, and this is great because it removes bacteria and debris or anything that is really hard to reach at the back of your mouth. The orthodontic tip, and this is great for people who have braces. And the last tip is the plaque seeker tip, and this is great for people who has veneers, crowns, implants, anything of those sorts. So to get started, all you have to do is put water into the tank, and the tank can hold up to 1,000 milliliters. And that can give you up to 180 seconds uninterrupted dental flossing. So now all you have to do is choose which tip you would like to use, and I'm going to go ahead and use a classic jet tip. So this dental flosser does have a touch screen panel, and it gives you the option if you want to do massage mode. And it gives you 6 pressure level settings. I like to use the pressure level of 3, and this device does have a memory function, so it will remember the function that I choose the next time I decide to floss my teeth. So once everything is turned on, the water will automatically start squirting out, so make sure you are ready and prepared. You can floss your teeth over the water tank or of course over the sink, and make sure you floss your teeth at a 90-degree angle, and make sure you get in between every single one of your teeth. The water pressure does a really effective job at cleaning out my teeth. And I also like that it is a leak-proof water hose, so I never have any problems. So after I am done flossing my teeth, I like to use a mouthwash, and I like this one by Listerine. It is their Healthy White, and I like this one because it does have a percentage of peroxide in it, which is really good at whitening your teeth. So after that, I just put my retainers in, and then I will clean up. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!